So I want to just recollect the what you say formulas what we have studied. So oxidation state is just about its charge. Now hydrogen will be always taken as plus 1. Hydrogen will be always taken as plus 1. But in case of metal hydrates, 2 minutes ma, just not 2 minutes, it may take 30 seconds. Just admitting students still joining. Okay. So we are dealing about oxidation state. So in oxidation state, I have discussed about few rules. I'll just try to recollect and go fast. The first rule I have said about hydrogen. Hydrogen always shows plus 1 oxidation state, but in case of but in I'll try to adjust my tab so that I can get good pace on it. Students are joining it. But in case of metal hydrates, what is the oxidation state of hydrogen, children? In case of metal hydrates,
-1.
very good mark.
-1.
-1. Right. Next one is what 1A group elements. What is the oxidation state of 1A group elements?
+1.
+1.
Good. Plus 1. What is the oxidation state of 2A group elements, ma?
+2.
Good. Thank you for your answers. It is +2. Next, when we see about halogens, that is 17th group or 7th group, 17th group or 7th group, what is the oxidation state, ma?
-1.
-1. Good. Still students are joining, ma. That's why I'm getting interrupted. Just admitting them. Okay. In 17th group elements, it is -1. See here, fluorine always show -1. Rest of the halogens can show positive oxidation state. Halogens can show positive oxidation state such as +3, +5,
+5, +7.
+7. Good. But fluorine always show -1. Halogens also show -1 only, but there are conditions where it can show positive oxidation state. There are conditions where it can show oxidation state. This will deal separately. But you should remember generally halogens show -1 oxidation state. General halogens. Next, I have said about oxygen. This is my special case, children. Oxygen. Majority of the compounds will be oxygen. What is general oxidation state of oxygen, ma?
-2.
-2. Good. So in case of peroxides, oxygen
-1.
peroxides -1. What are peroxides? What are peroxides? Whenever we see like these linkages, oxygen bonded with another oxygen by single bond, oxygen bonded with another oxygen by single bond, those are called as peroxide. It is called as sodium peroxide. It's called as sodium peroxide. I have written yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. In peroxide, it will be having -1. Suppose when you take about KO2, what is the oxidation state of oxygen here?
-2.
No, -1/2. These are called as superoxides. Superoxides, right? Actually, it should be like this K2O. The formula of potassium oxide should be K2O. This is normal oxide. This is superoxides. If you see like the compounds, its oxygen state will be -1/2. Next one, in case of O2EF2. In case of O2F2, oxygen will get which oxygen state, children? O2F2
1.
+1.
+2.
In case of OF2,
+2.
+2.
Good. So these are sufficient to calculate oxidation state. And I have also said to calculate how to calculate about maximum oxidation state. Maximum oxidation state. Maximum oxidation state will be equal to its group number. Will be equal to its group number. Will be equal to its group number. But group number we are not going to take as 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Instead we are going to take 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Clear? Maximum oxidation state. Minimum oxidation state. Minimum oxidation state. Oxidation state will be, minimum oxidation state will be equal to, can you say the formula?
Group number -8, sir.
Group number minus 8 is called as minimum oxidation state. Right. These are the rules which I have given. So no doubts, right, up to now. So we are entering into calculation. Can I take new page, children?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I hope you all got what you say answer sheets in Google Classroom, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now see, there are few someone are admitting children. Let me admit them. Okay. Now look here. I also said that in neutral molecule, sum of oxidation state will be equal to sum of oxidation state of individual atoms. Sum of oxidation. Very good one. Oxidation state. Sum of oxidation state of individual atoms. Individual atoms is equal to 0. Next one. In ions, the sum of oxidation state, of individual atom of individual atoms equal to its charge. I'll explain. Done, ma. These are the formulas which are sufficient to calculate the oxidation state. Right, there are conditions which are called as complexes. We are not going to deal about those now. Complexes. There is a separate chapter in 12th standard which are called as coordination complex. Their calculation of oxidation state will be different. Little different there. We are not going to deal that now. Right. See, I have to calculate oxidation state of MgO. Is a neutral molecule, so I'll take as magnesium. See, I can directly calculate this oxidation state. Why? Because it is second group element, so its oxidation state will be +2. I want to apply this formula. That's why I'm saying this. I'll take this as X plus oxygen. Each oxygen is -2, so it will become -2 is equal to 0. It's a neutral molecule. X is equal to +2. Did you understand what I have done there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'll take another example. CaCl2. Whichever you have to calculate, whichever atom you have to calculate, take that as X. So this is calcium is X. You can do meanwhile and you can answer me. I have to add, but each chlorine is belong to halogens. -2, -1 it will be there. There are 2. X -2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +2. So here calcium oxidation state will be +2. Magnesium oxidation state will be +2. See, I request you all to open book and write down. Today you are going to solve. I'll be writing formulas like this. We are going to solve one by one. Now look here, ma. I'm going to calculate one more. Al2SO4 thrice. I think you know this. What is the name of this? Al2SO4 thrice.
Aluminum sulfate.
Aluminum sulfate. Very good. Now look here. I'll give certain examples. This you should remember like this. See, SO4. What is the charge of this? -2. What is the name of this? Sulfate. Sulfate. NO3 -1. Nitrate. This charge will be -1. Sir, why you are saying this separately? I'll explain. Next one is NO3. PO4 -3. PO4 -3. Phosphate. I'm going to apply this now. Look here. I have to calculate aluminum oxidation state. I have to calculate aluminum oxidation state. So 2 aluminums are there. I will take 2x. Now this is sulfate is taken together. Sulfate will be taken as one ion, SO4. What is the charge of sulfate? -2. So it will become, I should add plus, I should write, but as it is -2, it will become -3 into how many sulfates are there? 3. Okay, I'll write plus 3 into each sulfate is -2. Each sulfate is -2. It's a neutral molecule. It will become 0. So it will become 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. Anyone have doubt in this, ma?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now look here. You have to remember this. Sulfate is totally taken as -2. This is nitrate taken as -1. Phosphate taken as -3. Now I'll write some more like this example. NH4 plus 1. Ammonium is called as ammonium. NH4 plus 1. Next one is SO3 -2. Sulfite. See, this is sulfate, this is sulfite. NO2 -1. NO2 -1. Nitrite. Nitrite. This is NO3 -1. Nitrate. You just remember like this. Nitrate, after eating one oxygen, it became nitrate. 8 means one oxygen will be more. 8 means one oxygen will be less. Sulfate, 4 oxygen. Sulfite, one oxygen is less. Sulfate, one oxygen will be more. Sulfite, one oxygen will be less. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this remember in your books. Now I'll write one example. We'll do that. ClO, sorry, this is ClO minus. We have to calculate oxidation state of chlorine. Can you answer? Can you answer first?
-1.
-1. It will become +1. See, each oxygen is -2. X -2 is equal to its charge. -1 I have written here. So X is equal to -1 plus 2. X is equal to +1. Any doubts, ma?
No, sir.
Okay. So can I
Okay.
take a new page?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mhm. Okay. Now I'm going to write few compounds. You have to calculate. 1, 2, 3, go. NO3 -1. Can you name this one first?
Nitrate.
Nitrate. Good.
Nitrate.
Good. Now, whichever I have underlined, calculate its oxidation state. Come on, go ahead.
4.
Sir, +5, sir, for nitrate.
Good, Ra.
+5, sir.
+5. This one?
+5, sir.
Is also +5. Good. I'll explain for rest of them if you are not able to understand. This is X. I'm going to take X. Here, plus. How many oxygens are there? 3. Each oxygen is -2. It is having charge. What is its charge? -1. X is x minus 6 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 6, x is equal to plus 5. Nitrogen belongs to 15th group. It is the maximum oxygen state of nitrogen, plus 5. It cannot exceed beyond 5. Now we'll see here, PO4 3 minus, PO4 3 minus. This is x plus 4 oxygen, each oxygen is minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Next, x minus 8 is equal to minus 3, x is equal to plus 5. This 8 will go this side, it will become plus 5. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. NO2 minus 1. What is the name of this? Name.
Nitrous. Nitrous.
Say again.
Nitrate.
Nitrate.
Nitrous oxide.
Nitrite. Calculate.
3.
Plus 3.
3, sir.
Good.
Plus 3.
Good. Plus 3. Correct one. Its oxygen state is plus 3. Now, inside you can write like this. Suppose you see AlOH thrice. AlOH thrice. See, OH minus is called as hydroxide. Its charge is minus 1. Its charge is minus 1. Whichever are coming, you can write down. Its charge is minus 1. Now calculate aluminum oxygen state.
3, sir. Plus 3.
Plus 3. Good. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. OH minus 1. Hydroxide. Name is called. Already studied this in your lower standards. Yes. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write few compounds. So I'll complete writing. So what you have to do is you have to calculate. Right. First, okay, I have to choose color. First one is N2. Don't say now. You can write down. Then I'll ask. You have to say. Write down all this in your book. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead. If you complete, say me, ma. If you have completed, sir, we have completed, then say me. If anyone have doubt, you can ask me in between. If you are doing, do. If anyone have doubt, you can ask me in between. If you are doing, do. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Very good, ma. Rest of you.
Completed, sir.
Very good.
Completed, sir.
Very good. We'll check one by one. In the
The
meanwhile,
sixth one is N3H or N3 plus 1, sir.
one second, ma. I'm just preparing your attendance. That's why I was. Sixth one, ma.
Yes,
N3H.
sir.
N3H. N3H.
Okay.
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 Now, say me one by one, ma. So, shall I ask your names? Okay. Say, first one is, what is the oxygen state of N2? Zero. Why? Because it
Zero, sir.
has not combined with any other atom. Its own atom, if it's combining, its oxygen state will be taken as zero. Good. Here, ma.
-3, sir.
-3. Good. Here,
-1/3, sir.
-1/3. Good. Here, say -3. Good. Here, 5. Ah.
-5, sir.
-5.
-5. But it will not exist, ma. Up to -3 will come. Don't take this example. its minimum oxygen state will be -3, -5. Chances are not there. Okay, say for this.
-1/3, sir.
-1/3, correct. Don't take this example, ma. Fifth one. Next one. Here.
-3, sir.
-3, sir.
Good. This one.
-2, sir.
-2. Good. You are calculating for nitrogen only, right? Here.
-1, sir.
-1. Okay, correct. Here.
-2, sir.
+2.
Sorry, 2, sir. 2, sir.
X -2 is equal to 0. X will become +2. Here.
4, sir.
Good. Good. Here.
3, sir.
Good. Good. +3. Here.
+5, sir.
Oh, okay, correct. Here.
+3, sir.
+3. Good. Here.
+5, sir.
Can you name this one? HNO3. Nitric acid. Nitric acid. HNO2 is called as nitrous acid. Both differ by one oxygen. Nitric acid, nitrous acid. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we work on different examples?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Meanwhile, I want your. Okay, I just open. I have to take. Okay, cancel. I'm canceling. New. Okay. So meanwhile, just answer your attendance, children. If you say your attendance, I can mark fastly. Adityan.
Sir, yes, sir.
Anbarsi.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ma, if I am pronouncing your name wrong, you can correct me. Don't feel shy. Yeah. Why? Because I don't know how to pronounce your name exactly. If I am doing any wrong mistake, there you can correct me. Danusha.
Present, sir.
Danvin.
Present, sir.
Hariharan. Hariharan MP. Absent. Harisudan. Harisudan is not your. Harshavardhan N. Harshavardhan N. Absent. Harshavardhan V. Harshavardhan V. Absent. Harshini.
Present, sir.
Hashim. Hashim.
Present, sir.
Jaykant. Okay, ma.
Present, sir.
Present.
Kamalavarshini. Kamalavarshini. Absent. Kartishan.
Present, sir.
Okay. Madhumita. Madhumita. Absent. Muhammad Fayaz. 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 See, if you have answered your attendance, you can unmute ma, so that the rest of them can speak. Fayaz absent. Fazil. Fazil.
Present, sir.
Maunika. Maunika. Absent. Neelraj.
Sir, present, sir.
Okay. Nishaj Ahmad. Nishaj Ahmad. It's not there. Absent. Prakash.
Present, sir.
Okay. Rudolph.
Present, sir.
Sakitya,
Present, sir.
Sanjay, say
Present,
fast,
sir.
say fast children so that I can. Shaktiram,
Present, sir.
Shalini, Shalini, Sharmila, Sharmila, Shalini, both of them absent. Shivani,
Present, sir.
okay. Shweta,
Present, sir.
okay. Srimati,
Yes, sir.
okay. Sri Priya,
Present, sir.
okay. Susindra, Balaji, Susindra Balaji, absent. Tejasri,
Yes, sir.
Tiruvengadam,
Present, sir.
okay. Vishnupriya, Vishnupriya, absent. Okay.
Madhumita is present, sir.
Madhumita is present. Okay, ma. Okay, done. Your attendance over.
Sir, in the beginning, my connection timed out, sir. I think maybe you called my name then, or you didn't call my name.
Same your name, ma.
Sir, Asif, sir.
Asif, I think. Asif, okay, ma. I'll take your attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's start again our work. So going on to next one. Get set, ready, go. Here I'll write all about chlorine now. Earlier I have written nitrogen. Now we'll go for chlorine. You can start writing. If you have completed this, first complete this, then come for this. Here for carbon, this is for chlorine. If you complete this, you can do this.
Completed, sir.
Very good, Ra. Rest of them?
Completed, sir.
Sir, in carbon row, sixth one is CH2,
Yes, CH2,
Cl2,
Cl2.
sir. Sir, then
Zero
how
will
to
come.
calculate for that, sir?
Ze-
It's
Zero
coming
only.
zero, sir, carbon.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, same. Very good. Very
Completed,
good.
sir.
Say first one. First one. Zero.
Zero, sir.
Next one.
-1, sir.
Next one.
Minus
+1, sir.
+1.
Okay. Next.
4, sir.
+4, sir.
Okay. Next.
+3, sir.
+3.
Good. Next.
+5.
+5, sir.
Good.
+7, sir. +7, sir.
Next one.
Next one,
Here,
+1,
here.
sir.
+1.
Plus.
+1, sir.
Okay.
1.
Okay. Okay. Next.
+3.
+3, sir.
Okay. Next.
+5.
+5, sir.
Good. Next.
+7.
+7, sir.
Good. Here.
Carbon +2, sir.
Carbon
Next.
0, sir.
Here, Ra.
+4, sir.
+4. This is -2. Two options are there. 4 minus. This is become x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to +4. Here.
+4, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Third one +4, sir.
+4.
+4, sir. Third
-4.
one.
Minus
Fourth one -4,
+4
sir.
or minus?
-4.
-4.
-4, sir.
Okay. Here.
-3, sir.
-2, sir.
-3.
Hey,
Minus
hey, x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to -2. Is it -2 or +2? -2.
minus
-2. Third one. See.
minus
minus
1, sir.
hey,
1, 0.
this
sir.
one. This is 0.
6 1, 0, sir.
+1, sir.
7
0, 0.
+2, sir.
1 second. Whichever I am pointing, say that one. Others will get confused. This is 0. Any doubt in this?
Sir. No, sir.
Next one.
+2, sir.
+2. This one.
+4, sir.
+4. Have you heard about chloroform? Have you heard about chloroform?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is only chloroform.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chloroform. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt in
Yes,
this?
sir.
No, sir.
Anyone
No, sir.
have doubt? I will explain, or else I'll go for the next one. One,
Sir,
two.
4Cl
Yes.
how, sir?
Which one, ma? Say the number. Chlorine one or carbon one?
Chlorine, sir.
Chlorine. So number? Which number? Which one?
8, sir. 8, sir.
8. See, this is X chlorine. This is hydrogen is +1. 1 plus X, this is -2. So +1 minus 2. It will become X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to +1. Understood, ma?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I thought that H has 4, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
It's my +1, ma. +1. It looked like 4, right? +1.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, ma. Next, anyone have doubts? Any doubts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done? No doubts? See,
No, sir.
see, I have said chlorine can show halogens can show -1 oxygen state. See, it can show -1 oxygen state, halogens, but it can also show 3, 5, 7 oxygen state. These oxygen states are common here, 3, 5, 7. Actually, here I should write -1, ClO2 -1. If I write ClO2 -1, what will its oxygen state will become, children?
3, sir.
3, +3 will come. It won't show +4 oxygen state. This is an wrong example. It shows 3, 5, 7 oxygen state. Halogens, they have ability. Halogens, so +3, +5, and +7. Even they can show +1 also. These their common oxygen states. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Go ahead.
Completed, sir.
Very good, Ra. Rest of you. Rest of you. Done?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Same as this one. How much?
2, sir.
Okay, good. +2. Next.
4.
4, sir.
+4.
+4.
Okay, good.
+2.
And +2, sir.
Okay, good.
-7.
+7, sir.
+7.
Plus
This is potassium.
+7, sir.
Potassium is 1 plus X. This is +4 into -2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +7. This is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. This will become -7. If this -7 goes, so it will become +7. Stay here.
+6, sir.
+6, sir.
Very good. Now, I'm going to wipe out this, going to take new page. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Thank you. I'll take few examples, which are different, not like earlier one. Okay, before going to that, calculate for this one. Sulfur. Don't calculate this, calculate these two. Let's calculate 2 and 3.
+6 and +4, sir.
+6 and +4. Very good. Can you say the name of this?
Sulfuric acid.
Good. Sulfuric acid. Other names for this sulfuric acid is also called as king of chemicals. Other name for this is called as oil of vitriol. Oil of vitriol. Name of this is called as sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. Here I want to give one logic here. Whenever an element is able to present in two different states, see, this is sulfuric acid, this is also sulfurous acid. Whenever higher oxidation state is there, it is called as IC, higher oxidation state. Higher oxidation state is pronounced as IC, IC. Lower oxidation state is pronounced as US. This is sulfurous acid. This is sulfuric acid. Similar example I can give. Calculate oxidation.
Sir,
Nitrogen. Yes or no? Are you able to hear me, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then say the answer for this HNO3.
sir. Now only you are
Sir, plus
audible,
5.
before-
sir, yes, sir, it was hanging.
Hanging, yeah. Okay, this is plus 5. This is
Plus 5, sir. Plus 3.
This is now look here. This is higher oxidation state. That's why it is called as nitric acid. Nitric acid. This is HNO2. This is called as nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. Whenever higher oxidation state is there, it is called as IC. It is pronounced as IC. Lower oxidation state it is pronounced as US. US, IC. Clear? Now calculate oxidation state of this H2SO5. H2SO5
Plus 8, sir.
plus 8. Okay, 1 second. This is called as Carose acid. Carose acid. Sulfur maximum oxidation state is plus 6. It cannot show more than 6. It cannot show more than 6. This will be my next topic today. Sulfur belongs to 6th group. Its maximum oxidation state is 6. It cannot show it. We are going to do this tomorrow. Any doubt today's topic?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So
No, sir.
we'll meet tomorrow, ma, with different. So today I have given you examples which are normal. So from tomorrow I'll start with some exception. There are few compounds which have some exceptions. We are going to deal with those exceptions. Done. Any other things like if you are not able to understand, you can you can say me, sir. I have doubt in this particular topic. I'll explain.